Welcome to Mago Explores. We are introducing something new, diving into the world of technology. You know there are times that someone asks you for your phone to play games or to take photos. But once you hand it over, they start snooping around. This can compromise your privacy and the crucial data on your phone. Today we are starting with guided access, a powerful iPhone feature that can help you restrict what people have access to whenever you hand over your device to them. Let's get right into it. To activate the guided access, let's go to settings. And then let's search for accessibility. And let's look for guided access. Let's scroll all the way down. Guided access. You could as well just open settings and then search guided access right away. Guided access. Okay, let's turn it on. There are a couple of options that you could explore, but since the guided access is on and the accessibility shortcut is also on, let's set our password and we are good to go. Face ID is already on because it has already been set. Let's set our password. Let's make the password 8080. Re-enter your password 8080. Now we are good to go. So let's try it with any app. Let's open calculator. When you open the app, to have access to the guided access option, you press the power button 3 times in the quick succession. So 1, 2, 3. Then turn it on, guided access. So let's say the person punches 1 + 1. After punching and everything, the person can't turn the phone off, it won't work. The person can't go home, it won't work unless the guided access is turned off. To turn it off, press the power button 3 times in a quick succession. 1, 2, 3. Then you turn it off. You enter the password 8080. Then you end it. Now you can navigate whatever app you want to. Or you could as well, let's activate it once more. 1, 2, 3. Guided access on. After punching whatever you want to punch, you could as well deactivate it using your Face ID. To use the Face ID, this time around, you press the power button twice to use the Face ID. So 1, 2. Guided access ended. For those using iPhones with home buttons, after setting the guided access app, this is how you turn it on. Let's open any app. So let's open calculator. To turn it on, this time around, you press the home button 3 times in a quick succession. So 1, 2, 3. Guided access started. So let's say I punch 1 + 1. When I'm done, I can't turn it off, it won't work. If I try going home, it won't work unless I turn the guided access off. To turn it off, you have to press the home button 3 times. Then you enter your password. So 1, 2, 3. Then we enter the password 8080. Then we can end it. Or you can as well use your fingerprint if it's working. So let's activate it once more. 1, 2, 3. Guided access started. To turn it off, using the fingerprint, this time around you press on the home button twice in a quick succession. So 1, 2. Guided access ended. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you.